Irena, you're the light in the darkness. Even when the world feels heartless, you stay real, you stay you. That's just everything you do.
You walk in and the silence changes, like broken pieces start rearranging. No spotlight, but you still shine through, like the sky got brighter when it found you.
Je si dritën e tereta, si një yll që nuk shuhet kur gjithçka duket e ftohtë, ti sjell ngrohtësi në çdo gur.
Moj, Iren, mos haro kur, sa shumë vlen për mua. Edhe kur se she vet, ti e drita në çdo rrugë.
You don't chase what you don't need. You come like a summer breeze, and somehow you make it easy to believe in better things. Zëri yt më qetson shpirtin edhe kur bota bëhet zhurmë. Me ty pranë çdo gjë ndalet dhe koha sikur nuk lëviz më.
You don't even notice it sometimes, but you change the whole mood just by being in the room. It's something only you can do.
Në sytë e tu ka qetësi, si dhe ti kur bjera let, edhe kur askush se thot, ti e arsyeja që bota flet.
We laugh at things no one would get, turn small moments into memories, and even on the hardest days you still feel like home to me.
Mos mendo se si e mjaftueshme, se je më shumë se fjalët vet, edhe kur se she vet vlerën të tjerë të shohin çdo ditë.
And if you ever feel alone, or like you're far from strong, just remember I'm right here where I've been all along.
Irena, you don't even try,
But you still light up the sky, and even when you feel small, you're the reason hearts don't fall.
Irena, you don't even try,
But you still light up the sky, and even when you feel small, you're the reason hearts don't fall.